Fuck, I have a stream on. This is not fucking fair. If you fucking stream snipe me, I'll slice off your ball sack, Tomsky, just saying. No, that is not fair. That is not. You're fucking.
They're just going for you now. Oh god.
Oh, no! No, fuck off! You're stream sniping! No! Okay. Fuck right off. Fuck! It takes you way too long to kill me, you fucking losers. Wait, did they give up on me? Fuck, they didn't. No! No!
Aww.
Alright, time to find these cunts.
Found him. He's a toy house, greenhouse, middle.
It's running away. Present. House. Yes!
Nice.
You performed as expected, Karel.
Can't believe I found both of them.
Good job. Literally, fuck off. I'm gonna be right in front of you, you little bitches. Where are you? What's up? They're gonna fucking no! No, fuck up, Domsky! Leave me alone! Leave me the fuck alone! Leave me the fuck alone! Leave me alone right now! No! No! I gotta run. Come on, run faster. Oh. No, I'm stuck. Oh. No, I'm so scared. Oh no, I hear the cunt. Oh.
Oh, they're definitely coming for you.
Yeah. I just clenched my asshole because of that.
Clench harder.
Stay still. Stay hidden.
No. Zero sexo? What?
Oh, Zoro Sexo.
Arisa, do a bikini posting. This is not Pornhub, you fucking porny freak. I got him! Oh my god, he's running away! He's a slope! Gay! Ah! Oh, upstairs! He's gonna jump out. He's jumping out. Yes!
We'll remember this defeat.
And so it begins. The order will fall.
Christian stream. I don't drink, I don't smoke, and I don't swear. Only on holidays. I do all of them.
Oh, we got him.
Yes! Yes!
Was it Donsky again? Poor Donsky.
Yes! Ah!
I hear him. I see him. Got him.
Good job,
Ran straight into me.
we get to
Scazzy was over. Oh, they keep finding my decoys. 8 decoys though. No! No. Fuck off. Fuck off.
No! I can't fucking asshole so much for this shit. John, you missed. Somebody came into the stream and they were like, oh, can you please do a drinking stream? And I was like, I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do any of that. I'm a Christian person. I only do that on holidays. And then he was like, can you do a drinking stream, please? Can you do a bikini stream, please? And then he was like, can you do a smoking stream on a holiday? You said you smoke on a holiday. Like, bro, what the fuck is wrong with your head? Like, what? That's not it. Oh my god, he copied me! You tried it!
We're pulling ahead. Now you're the last.
Would you be
What?
Would you be mad if I was watching your Twitch stream when you were doing this?
No, that's not allowed.
Himself.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look what I am.
Yeah, don't say what you are because these retards are stream sniping the entire fucking time. Stream sniping cunts. They're fucking stream sniping. Yes.
Oh,
No! He got me! Fucking Anglo stream
stream
sniped
snipe.
me!
That was
Fuck-
a stream snipe.
He literally fucking stream sniped me. Alright, you can do this. I believe in you.
Yes!
Good job, BNT.
Good job, Ara! Ara saved the day.
Alright, let's go get him, guys. Let's tire.
Got him.
Nice! Good job! You, Domsky. Fuck you, Domsky! That's for you. Shove it up your fucking asshole.
Oh.
Rip.
Oh, I found one the very last second as well.
No stream sniping. Shit. Alright, let's see how this goes.
The hell?
No.
Sarah.
No, motherfuckers. So fucking thirsty for me. It's insane.
Are they looking for box?
Yeah. Oh my god, I can't believe I survived that. I can't believe it.
Did you say they're looking for her box? Oh, it's so you can hide everywhere.
Oh, and fucking Anglo stream sniped me, the little bitch.
This is like
Excellent work, squad.
Yes! Yes!
I literally had the worst prop ever.
This is for Domsky.
What, you carried? Oh.
This is for Skazi.
Switching rally points.
And this deck is for Anglo. Fuck you all.
So
Ari.
easy. First, what, 2-3 games, you're the first one to die? Please. I was giving you a chance, Donsky.
I'm a
Don't let the search
I
team
fucked up.
destroy
I
you.
fell down.
Only one prop left.
Okay,
Find
here's
it
a little
and
bit of
destroy
bread.
it.
He's probably on the other side of the fucking map. No? Oh my god, he fucking runs. He's running away from me. He's trolling me right now. Anglo, stop it! Anglo, you little fucking bitch. I swear to fucking god, you're gonna regret this. You're gonna regret this, you fucking bitch. You're gonna fucking regret this, Anglo. Look at this! Oh, it's fucking Skazi, the dumbass.
Switching sides.
Let's see. They're gonna stream snipe me anyway because they're fucking idiots.
I don't mind giving this hiding spot away. It's pretty known. Where are you boys at?
Me and Sarah are staring at each other right now.
Nah, man. Edge, this is
37 seconds.
this is a prop hunt. There's no rage here.
The mission clock is expiring.
I'm clenching my asshole again. Oh, cool.
You turn your
You
mouse.
stream sniping cunt! You stream sniping cunt! Fuck you, die! Oh, fuck off you! Oh, yeah!
No way!
There's
There's no way.
Prepare to redeploy.
Oh.
Look at, I was the little trash can running around.
Switching sides.
Yes.
Oh, they didn't even show my hiding spot. Oh.